guys, my name is Lally. I am a wig maker, a costume maker and a Lady Gaga impersonator, and I am coming to you today with this Lady Gaga inspired look. This isn't from any specific music video or any live performance, anything like that. It's just a look that she wore and the paparazzi kind of went nuts over. I have my self-made Stevie Nicks t-shirt here, so I'm going to show you guys how to make that as well on my Instagram, so go check that out. It's Lally Burns. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to see more of me, and let's get into it. So I'm starting off with my L'Oreal Mattifying Primer, and I'm just going to rub that all over my face and wait until it dries a little bit before I move on to some concealer just on the high points of my face and to lift out any shadows. And now I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. Now I'm using Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid, and I'm just going to pop that all over my face and again blend out with a beauty blender. Going back to my Maybelline Dream Lumi Concealer, I'm again lifting out the high points of my face and creating more of Lady Gaga's nose shape by accentuating the bridge and the tip. Just blend that out. Now I'm just going to set all of that with some Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Using L'Oreal Back to Bronze, I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead and my nose. Still using Back to Bronze and a smaller brush, I'm going to contour my eye sockets and create a little shadow wing. And then just blend the edges. Using Haus Laboratories Glam in Aphrodite, I'm just going to create my eyeshadow on the lids and the brow bone, and then I'm going to blend that in with my finger. And now L'Oreal Infallible Kohl Eyeliner just on the lower third of the waterline, and then make a little freckle. Now using Haus Laboratories Eyeliner in Punk, I'm just going to create a winged eyeliner, quite an accentuated wing. And I like to do that by resting the nib of the pen against my lower lash line and then just pressing against it to create the wing, and then follow that line down to the upper inner corner. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up and use Revolution Pro 24-Hour Brow to fill them in. Now I'm just going to use the lightest shade of the Vie En Glow palette by L'Oreal to highlight the high points of my face and my nose, and then I'm using the e.l.f. Baked highlighter and blush in rose gold. Now just curl your eyelashes and apply Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Now you can apply your glue to your lashes and wait till that gets tacky. We can fill in our lips with Haus Laboratories RIP Lip Liner in Supermodel whilst our lash glue is drying. I like to line just within my lip line and then fill the rest in for this look. Now just drop your lashes on and pull from one side to another and just squeeze them together. Moving on to the hair, we want to brush all of our hair through to make sure there are no tangles and it's nice and smooth. And then we want to create a ponytail right on the top of our heads, like higher than it should be. and using that ponytail we're going to make a bun. I did this on like 3-day-old hair, so I had some grease to help me glue down the hair and get that really sleek, slick look. Just make sure it's nice and tight, and then spray down any flyaways. I got this pink hairspray from Amazon. It's called Glitzy Girl Hair Color Spray, and it's not the best I've used, so I don't recommend it, but I used it for this video, and the link will be in the description box if you did want to use it, but I super don't recommend it. Stargazer do a better one. Now, using hairpins, I'm going to attach my Dragcessories lace front wig to my bun, and I'm just going to throw the wig over my bun and literally pin it in place. You want to make sure that you pin it in the front, and then you also pin the opening closed at the back. Then just brush it through. And take a piece from underneath, make sure it's nicely brushed, and wrap it around the ponytail band area. And secure that with a bobby pin. Now I'm just touching up that hairspray, but again, it's terrible, get a different one. Now attach your nails. I got the nails from Amazon and they are stiletto shaped, and then I used some Essie and Rimmel nail polish to create that kind of mermaid nude effect. And I stuck them down with edge nail glue. So that's it for the makeup, and now we're gonna get on to the clothes. So I literally got all of the accessories jewellery from Amazon. I got a skull ring and a choker which I painted silver using nail polish, and some red heart earrings. Everything will be linked down below. I used 2 sets of fishnet tights, one just on my legs as per usual, and then cut hand holes and a neck hole and some thumb holes into the other set. Then I bought the Demonia Stack 301 boots, which are the boots that Gaga has, and I got a Pretty Little Thing t-shirt dress and some t-shirt transfer paper for dark colours, and printed off the image from Google and then ironed it on. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to hear more from me. Please leave me a comment below. Any feedback would be much appreciated, and let me know what you want to see next. It can be a fashion segment, doesn't have to be Gaga. Anything you want to see is good with me. I hope you all have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Mwah.